This is the first episode of Classroom Cribs, and we're here with Miss Rains.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Rains. I am new to Locust Grove High School and I teach chemistry, honors, AP, and general chemistry. Come on in and check out my room. So, being the big science nerd that I am, I have all kinds of neat science toys to play with during demos, as well as just to show neat stuff.
Is it like one of those? Yo! Look at that, that's crazy.
I have set up for my students a student corner with all kinds of resources. So over here is where you can find most anything science related, anything from college textbooks to magazines for science literacy, to stuff relevant for the school, all the way to if you're just having a bad day and need to strangle somebody, you strangle the stuffy instead of somebody. But one of my favorite things about being a chemistry teacher is playing with fire and doing some of the labs. So I have a demo for you guys. So one of the first labs that we do early in the year is our students get to make pretty colored fire. You're good. And normally I'm using solutions, but today we're actually playing with the raw elements. There you go.
So how does this work, Miss Rains?
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these salts. These are all salts. They're all ionic compounds. You wouldn't want to put them on your french fries because some of them would make you kind of sick. And I'm going to put a little bit on my wire here. And notice what happens when I put the wire on the fire. So each salt gives a very unique color flame. So the first one was copper chloride, I believe, copper 2 chloride. This one I think was the barium, that yellow. And this one is strontium. Now, the really, really cool part is going to be a bit of a challenge to do, but mixing all three together. I don't have a stirring rod handy, so we're going to make do. And as long as I had enough salts and not too much water, we should see more than one color. I was afraid of that. Don't go nowhere. Nope. Okay. Third type is charn. Normally I'm doing this in solutions. I very rarely play with the real substances all at one time. So, what color is the Statue of Liberty?
It's like that rustic copper color.
Okay, so it's actually green.
Yeah.
And it's green because of the copper. So that copper makes everything green. Alright, we should be up there. We go. We should be able to see more than just, there we go, more than just one color when they're all mixed together.
That's awesome.
So,
it's like a 4th of July kind of thing.
it is kind of sort of like 4th of July. In fact, this is actually how they make fireworks. They take and stick these things in the firework with some explosives. The explosives excite the electrons. The electrons jump up some energy levels. And because they can't stay excited too long, they fall back down and give off the pretty color light.
That's crazy, I never knew that.
So, that's my crib.
Thank you, Miss Rains.
You're welcome.